Hello, I am Sarah and welcome to part 2 of over 130 free crochet patterns that you could use for Mother's Day gifts that I scoured the internet and found for you guys. Like I said, this is part 2. I'm glad you're here with me. If you have not seen part 1, definitely go check out the link in the description box because it will be the first one there. All of the patterns in this video are free and all of the links to these patterns will be in the description box below in the order that I show them here. So let's get into it. Okay, so this first section is for anybody who has a mother who is a book lover. And I have read so many books, like hundreds, if not thousands of books. I've had a few bookcases myself, and this first subcategory is book sleeves and book covers. So this first one right here is very simple. I think it is just one big square that they folded into an envelope and you secure with a little button. Looks very simple. I think it is very adorable, very beginner friendly, very elegant. This one is just a traditional book sleeve. So it's just a case and you put the book down into it and it has a button to secure it. I do love the zigzag pattern. I think that is adorable. You could do that in so many different colors. It is very unique. Definitely a good gift for any book loving mom. Okay, I had to include this one because I've never seen anything like this. I absolutely love it. If you love unique things, if you've never seen anything like this, definitely go check this one out. I love it. I think it is so unique. It looks like a book. Come on now. I mean, have you seen anything? Leave a comment. Have you ever seen anything like this before? I never have. And I think that this is great. Definitely go check this one out. Okay, if you didn't know that crochet bookends were a thing, now you do, because I didn't know it was a thing either. And I'm telling you, when I tell you that I went through 20 pages of Google and I only found 2. So these are not very popular, but they are very clever. It is made with those metal, just the plain metal bookends. And someone created the pattern for the elephant to just slide right over it. So like I said, I did find 2 patterns for this. The elephant is one of them. So unique. I've never seen anything like this. So if your mom is a book lover and loves elephants, what better gift than this? This is the only other one I found. It is a fish. Like I said, I think it is made with the same exact L-shaped book end case thing. Not sure how mother-friendly fish are, but there are definitely some fishing women out there, which more power to you. But I really do love this. It is in very friendly colors. Like I said, a very unique idea. So if you like to make patterns, maybe this is something you can get into because like I said, I scoured the internet and I could only find 2. So the next subcategory under book lovers is bookmarks. And the first one I'm going to show is my design. This is my chicken. Chicken and an egg. And so if you have any farm loving moms, I think this is very quirky, very fun, very simple to make. Definitely go check this one out, please. Okay, I also love the 3D bookmarks are my favorite. I love it when it sits on top, and this is a bookshelf, bookshelf bookmark. I mean, come on. It's got a little bookshelf, 2 books and a plant. Got everything. So cute. I've never seen anything like this. This is definitely adorable. Must have for a book lover. If you're going to make a little book loving basket, definitely make sure to include this one. If your mother likes to drink tea when she reads her book, this is a good gift for her. This is a tea bag bookmark. The little tea bag just hangs over the top. I think it's so adorable. You don't have to put the face on it if you don't want to, but you can if you do. Like I said, color options. This is adorable. Any Harry Potter fans out there? So, I mean, what better bookmark than a Harry Potter scarf? So depending on what house they fit into, Gryffindor. This will be a good one. Bookmark keychains. Okay, there's only so many different ways you can do this. So I do have 2 different options. I have this one. I believe this is a pattern for the blossom. They might show you how to do the strawberry too, but this is very adorable. I make book keychains with real paper in them, but I do like this one. I haven't made a tutorial yet. I have not made a tutorial. Have not made a bookmark keychain tutorial yet, but I know I will get to it. But for now, definitely go check this one out. This is another one. It looks very, very beginner friendly. They do the crochet white pages. Like I said, there's only so many ways to do a book, so I only have 2 of these. Okay, so this next category is jewelry and accessories. This first subcategory is necklaces. And this first one I think is really clever. It just has a little pouch for you to put like a crystal or a rock in. And if your mother is into crystals or that type of thing, this is gorgeous. This is a really clever idea. This one is very unique. Those are hair ties. They crocheted around hair ties. Very unique. I love all the different color options. I would definitely wear this. This is like a 3-in-1 pattern. It is only one pattern, but they show you 3 different ways to arrange it. And I think that that's very unique and clever. I honestly can't decide which one's my favorite. I do like this beaded necklace. So if you have any beads even wanting to use in like a good color combination, I think this is a great option. So this next subcategory is earrings. And this is another one I went a little crazy on. Maybe want to do a video about earrings all on their own, and I'm probably going to do that. But these flower earrings with a little pearl on the inside. I think these are adorable. I think it is made with a pretty small hook, so enjoy that. Better you than me, but I think they're very unique and just gorgeous. Sunflowers. Can't get enough of the sunflowers. I actually have a friend that makes these. I think this is done with embroidery thread. I'm not exactly 100% positive, but I do love sunflowers. I would love these earrings. Peacock feathers, bring me back to the 90s. I love it. I think it's very unique. Not something that you see every day, and honestly though, I imagine it tickling. Rainbow flowers. If your mom loves rainbows and love flowers, what better? So many people are into this right now, so I could definitely see this being a big hit. I really like these ones. You can make them look like a rainbow, but they're giving me Western vibes, boho Western chic vibes, so I absolutely love them. I love the tassels too. They seem a little bit shorter than the peacock ones, so maybe not as ticklish, but I really like these ones. These are my favorite, right up there with the sunflowers. Okay, with these apple ones, this is a 2-for-1 pattern, so you get 2 patterns within 1 link. You get the apples and the oranges. I think the apples are my favorite here, so if your mom is a teacher, definitely try this one out. Pineapples. What if you did, like, if your mom was into pineapples, you did like a whole little pineapple basket? You have to include these. And this actually looks absolutely simple. It looks like they just stacked a bunch of the circles on top, and I mean, that's very clever. Strawberry earrings. These are very cute, very sweet. I think she said that she didn't even stuff them, which I would stuff them, but I think they're very adorable. So this next subsection is bag charms. I love this flower set, the happy face flower. Like I said, you just create a little slip knot with it. It's very cute for bags. My mom's crazy about daisies, so I'll probably make her one of these. If your mom is an animal lover, cat or dog, this paw bag charm is just too cute. I could see any animal loving mom doing this. Again, with the strawberries, this is an adorable bag charm. I absolutely love it. Look at the little dog peeking out. How cute. Okay, so the next subcategory under jewelry and accessories is purses. This is a very cute, it looks very beginner friendly. You can do this obviously in a few different color options. Any button you like, very simple. I love this purse. Although I think this mermaid one, I probably love just a little bit more. I love the mermaid stitch. I don't know who doesn't. Comes out great in the end. This is a very unique bag for anybody whose mom loves color, loves mermaids. Definitely go check this one out. This hexagon bag is just like a granny square bag, but you do hexagons and it looks very beginner friendly. I absolutely love it. Very unique. Not like all the other granny square bags. You can do it in so many different color options. I absolutely love it. I love the circular aspect to it. I like this one a lot. I like the wooden hoops that it puts into it. It looks like it's done in a shell stitch. I love the blue turquoise, but like I said, you can do it in any color you want. It's a very nice bag. This bag is also very cute. It's a little handbag. I could see lots of different moms using this. I love the different colors used. I love the little handbag aspect to it. I think it's very cute. Little tote. Might be bigger than I think it is. I don't know. Definitely go try this out. Let me know how big it turns out. The next subcategory is glasses trays, and these are becoming very popular right now. I got 2 pictures for you, 2 patterns for you. This one is very simple, very elegant. If your mom's more into that just simple, elegant vibe. These next ones are adorable, depending on what animal your mom likes. I think these would be really cute. So this next category is car accessories. So if your mom is always on the go, you should definitely check these ones out. The first subcategory is keychains, and this crochet cactus keychain is absolutely the business. Okay, I made a round cactus desk plant once, and I didn't follow a pattern, and I probably should have because mine did not come out looking as cute as this. But so definitely go check this out. It is pretty simple. The only semi-complicated part is sewing all those rounds together. But seriously, don't do what I did. Go follow the pattern. Okay, the bee keychains are very popular. I did sell some of these at my last market. They're very simple to do, so definitely go check this out. This one is one of my favorites. I love this little flower keychain. I do believe there is some sewing involved, but I just love all the little balls together. I love all the puffiness to it, the puff flower of it. I love it. A little 3D squishy. It's cute. At first I thought these were earrings, but they are keychains. These are very elegant. You can add a little bead and a tassel on the bottom. Definitely go check this one out. It looks pretty beginner friendly. Probably one of the most elegant hearts I've seen. The next subcategory is car charms or rearview mirror hangers. I guess car charms is the new term. This owl on a swing is absolutely cute. I know everyone's done the ducks and the frogs on a swing, but have you seen the owl on a swing? If you haven't, go check this one out. I love it. Okay, cows in 2 pieces. It's got the head and the butt. Yeah, I don't know. I seen a corgi one that was like this, and I just love it. So again, if your mother is all into cows, definitely go check this one out. It's super cute, very unique. Someone really clever made this one. I did it. This is my own design, so definitely go check this out on my YouTube channel. The link will be below. It's pretty simple to do. I even show you how to sew it together to where the dirt doesn't show through on the outside. So really cute. This is a little hanging plant for your car. It looks small enough that you could probably hang it from your rearview mirror, but definitely be careful and check your state laws. Okay, car coasters. Did you know this was a thing? I didn't know it was the thing, and I wish I did, because my cup holders are like the first thing to get gross. Okay, I'm always spilling a drink or something. If you got kids, car coasters are probably the smartest thing you could do to save your car. I love the daisy flower design, so definitely go check this one out. Strawberry design also is very cute. Looks very simple to do. I love this design. I think I like this one better than the daisy one. I just love strawberries, so definitely go check this one out. For maybe something simple, maybe just a solid color, this is another great option. Looks very beginner friendly. Just a simple little flower. You can do it in variegated or simple colors, whatever color, maybe your mom's favorite color. Okay, the next section within cars accessories are pillows. Lumbar pillows, seat cushions. I don't know about you, but my Honda's front seat isn't the most comfortable seat in the world. I'm not as short as some people. I know my mom could probably use this booster pillow. Sorry, mom. This one looks pretty easy to make. It looks like they actually just crocheted around an existing pillow, so maybe check that out. I love this bow pillow. It doesn't say it's specifically for a car, but wouldn't this look adorable in the car? Okay, imagine this right here behind your seat. It looks like a really comfortable lumbar pillow, and it would look really cute in a car, on a couch, whatever. This is a really cute pillow. I love it. I love it. Okay. This is very elegant. You could put this on a couch, but I do think it would make a good lumbar pillow for a car. You could even crochet a strap that could be tied around it, around the seat, so it's secure. This is a good travel pillow. Maybe if your mom likes to travel a lot, maybe she's not driving and she sleeps in the car. Maybe she's a car sleeper. Make her this travel neck pillow. Okay. So the very last category is farm and garden. And I really love these planter pot hangers that just go over the fence. I think it's very clever. Very cute. You can do them in so many colors. Not sure how weather resistant it is, so check on that. I think these pot covers are very adorable. It reminds me of the one I have right here. This is a fake plant, but I love this little pot cover. I have another one right up there. I think these are adorable. That's why I chose this one. This pot cover is also very clever. It doesn't go around the entire bottom, so you can leave it for draining. I'm not sure if it's made with cotton or not, but I do think that the stripes are very nice. Reminds me of a sunset. I love the colors. I love the stitch. Definitely go check this one out. This one reminds me of a pumpkin. It's very cute. I love the stitch. I think I'm actually not even going to quote the stitch, but I do like it. It's very elegant. I could see this being in just like a very modern, simplistic house, maybe in a gray or a tan. I really do like it. This is the last pot cover I have, and I think this is done in the V-stitch. I really do like this pattern. I'm not sure if that's a thicker yarn or maybe they're using two worsted weight yarns tied together, but I do love the stitch. I really do like this. I like the intricateness of it. It's not so basic, straight across. I like it. Okay, so as far as garden tool bags, this is the only one I could find. And I don't know if you guys can find another free pattern. Maybe it's just because I was looking for free patterns, but when I tell you I went after Google page after Google page after Pinterest page after everything, this is it, and this is everywhere. I mean, I don't know how many different ways you could probably do a garden tool bag, but I do like this pattern. I think it's very clever, very useful. Okay, if your mother has a farm and has chickens, I thought the egg gathering apron would be a great idea. I do have two patterns, so this is one of them. I like the simplistic of it. I think the pockets look like they could be a little bit deeper, but who am I to judge? I don't have chickens, so definitely go check this one out. This one, see, the pockets are a little bit deeper. I do like this pattern. It reminds me, have you guys ever seen the movie Fly Away Home with the geese? That's what this reminds me of, when she was gathering. I think she had like a full-on apron and she was gathering up all in there, and that was the first time I had ever seen anything like this, so definitely go check this one out. Brings back memories. Okay, market bags. If your mom loves to go to the Saturday night market or wants to just pick the produce out in the backyard, market bags are a great thing to have. These collapsible fruit bags are like all the rage right now, and I found a pattern that has all of them. So definitely go check this out. It folds up into the little pouch like that up there in the yellow. I think it's very, very adorable. I love these. And there wasn't a watermelon in that one, so here's a watermelon one. I think this one's very adorable, very cute. I love how collapsible they are, and she shows you step by step. So definitely go check these ones out. This is more of a tote bag, but definitely good for a market or garden. Looks like a very simple stitch to do, very beginner friendly. I'm not sure exactly how long the straps are, so definitely go check that one out. You can do this in so many different colors. This one looks just like the other market bags, but I don't think it's collapsible. You could probably make it collapsible if you wanted to. It didn't have to be a fruit. Maybe do a big flower on the other end. This looks like You could probably duplicate that little flower that's up there at the top and maybe put it at the bottom and make it collapsible into that. So you never know. This actually looks way more closer to the pattern that I use for my market bags. Very simple pattern to use. So as the last market bag, I really like this one. Looks like it's just done in the granny stitch, and which that is one of the easiest stitches to do. So if you know how to do a granny square, you can make this bag. It probably works up in no time. I really like the color changes of it. I have not made it yet, but I definitely think I'm going to. I really like the handles of it. I don't know, when I see blue, I just love blue. Blue is my favorite color. Okay, so did you know that crochet solar light covers were a thing? Because I didn't. Not until I was researching crochet farm and garden items, and I came across these, and I thought this was really insanely clever and absolutely cute. So definitely go check this out. If your mom has a garden, she loves gnomes, this might be a big hit with her. So definitely go check this out. Here are some more options. You can do little flowers. This might be really pretty in a flower garden. I like how it lights up through the crochet right there, and I think the flowers are really cute. This is another option for a different type of light. So if your mom has a light that's like a globe more, or like a half circle, this would be another option. It's little flowers. This would be really cute in a flower garden. So if you have a mom who's patriotic, these are some, I mean, this is more geared towards 4th of July, but I know I would like these. So these are really cute. Definitely, they're like little fireworks. It's very cute, and they'll look adorable lit up at night. So this is my daughter, and I asked her if she could crochet, what would she want to make me for Mother's Day? So she looked at all the patterns between video 1 and this video, and what is your answer?
If I could crochet, I would want to crochet you the animal glasses cases for Mother's Day.
So the little pig, is that a dog?
There's a pig, a capybara, and
That's
a
a
frog.
capybara?
Yeah.
Okay, if she says so, that's a capybara. So a pig, a capybara, and a frog. This pattern right here, I'll put it right here. This is what she would crochet me. Not that she can't crochet, she is at the very beginner. She did make a chain. It is out in my car, so we can't really show you that right now, but I'm very proud of her, so she'll get there.
Yep.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed meeting my daughter. So if you didn't watch part 1, definitely go check that out. The link will be in the description below. All of the links to all of these patterns will be in the description below in the order that I showed them here. If you have not yet, please like and subscribe. It helps grow my channel. I'm new to YouTube and I'm happy to be here. Definitely go check these patterns out. Let me know which one was your favorite, which one you will be making. Feel free to tag me on Instagram and let me know what you made. These are not my patterns except for the 2 that I did show you, but I would love to know what you made for your mother for Mother's Day. See you next time.